later.
Okay. Pop that bottle.
You have to just...
It was ready.
Ooh, smells bad.
What? Come on.
Oh, it's gross.
Really?
Oh, I can't tell. Maybe it's just how champagne smells. Fucking, here you go.
No, there's cups. Do you want to pour it in a cup first?
This is how real people do it.
No, it's not. It looks bubbly. Oh, hell yeah.
Champagne is Hillary.
Yeah, bubbly. Oh! Saved it.
It's gotta
Oh, nope.
find
And
it.
it's down. Stop it!
Piss.
That's what champagne is. Bubbly piss.
So how you air it out.
Oh, okay. Cool. Okay. Let's cheers it. Cheers to our 2 years. Cheers to 2 years.
Cheers for years.
I love it.
It's pretty good.
It's really good. Whew. We are not drinkers.
Mmm.
Put a cork in it, babe.
Until next year.
Awesome. Great job. Love you so much.
Me too.
4 to 6 weeks later.
All right, let's add some gold foil to this, really make the letters pop. A few weeks have gone by and I absolutely love the way the engraving turned out. I did, however, feel that something was missing, so I wanted to add some rub and buff antique gold to the area I engraved to really make those letters pop against the green bottle. But first, let's give it a quick wipe down with some alcohol. As you can see, this is a very tiny tube, but let me tell you, a little of this stuff goes a long way. I barely use any of this from start to finish. To apply the rub and buff, I just used a Q-tip to almost massage the wax into the indentation of the letters. Like I said before, a little of this stuff goes a long way, so really you can just use it very sparingly. So once I did a decent sized section and gave it a second to dry, I took a dry towel to the bottle to buff away the excess. It sticks very well to a sanded surface and less so to a shiny surface, so when I was rubbing it away, I wasn't worried about the wax coming off of the engraved letters. I did have to use some elbow grease to get this off though, so when it was having trouble coming off, I dipped the towel in a tiny bit of alcohol, which really helped. How amazing does this look? It took me about 25 minutes to cover the whole bottle and it was totally worth it. It completely elevates the look of it. I love it so, so much. This will forever be our most cherished wedding gift and will live on display in our house for years to come. Thank you guys so, so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.